Hello, here we've got another beautiful 3.5Z Toyota-Vellfire, four-wheel drive, 3.5 litre V6. It's ticking all the boxes, and it's an auction grade 4 car. We'll go over this auction sheet in more detail a little later, but it's got 79,000 kilometres, that's about 50,000 miles off the top of my head approximately. But you can see it's in beautiful condition. If I run the camera down the side of the car, no matter which way you look at it, you're not going to find a pin dent or a scratch anywhere on there. That's the sort of quality we've got. V6, it's a beautiful 3.5 litre V6, plenty of torque. Get you out of a paddock if you're stuck with this four-wheel drive. You see we've got the genuine wheels, Toyota rims, all in very good condition. Once again, this is really, it's very, very clean. Now on the auction sheet, they've got a Y1. There was a little crack down here on the corner. We've had the front bumper repaired and painted. And that's all we've done to it because everything else is beautiful. Now we've got two sets of keys here. Let's open it all up and get some light in there. All of these plastics are very good. I mean, there is some light scratching, but certainly these can get a lot worse. You can see all the seats are in beautiful condition. These tables can come down and the seats can, well, you can put your footrest up like that. You can also slide the whole seat to the center, and that allows that seat to go a lot further back to give you a lot more leg room. You see all of that is in very nice condition. Look at that, eh? It's really nice. It's beautiful condition. Now, this is pretty cool. This is a cooler box. Let me try and get a close-up. You might not be able to read that, but that says cooler and hot box, so you can make it hot or hold. We've got 5 amp USBs. You've got your lighter power outlet there. This is your cooler box. Put your drinks in there and they'll keep cool or they'll keep hot, depending on what sort of day it is. You've got more compartments back here as well. So very, very cool. In here we've got the export certificate. The car's ready to go. We've got the service books, owner's manual. Up there we've got the flip down monitor. It really is in lovely condition. Well, you can probably see it. You see that's all nice. Plenty of tread on the pedals, on the rubbers. It's a good indication that the car's hardly been used. 66,500 kilometres was when the last service was done. and it's currently got 79,000 kilometres. I think that's about 50,000 miles off the top of my head. We've got the rear power doors here. We've got the reversing camera with guides there. Obviously all round climate control. That's the Japanese card, toll card that's just coming on and talking to me there. This is the auto four-wheel drive, so I'll just flick that switch and you'll see that it's going to come on. There we go. And I'll turn it off so you can drive it in two-wheel drive or auto four-wheel drive. Oh, beautiful engine. So there you have it. Lovely Toyota-Vellfire. Thanks for watching.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.